Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Moto G04. You have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and scroll down. Then click on Delete your Google account. And now click on Continue. And here you have to enter your screen lock passkey. And now you have to scroll down again and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. Now click on Continue. And then click Skip, leave the Opera application, and now you have to, your account has been removed, and now you can recover it by opening Google Play Store, for example, and then click Sign In. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click Next. Try again, enter your email address. And as you can see, it's deleted, so let's click Next. And I have to now enter my password. And now click I agree. Scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.